Alright, so we are back in the shop and I've got the tubing pulled off of the car, all set up. Put a brace inside of there to keep the angles where it needed to be. As you can see, it was tack welded right there in the front. One of the issues we're going to come to is being able to complete this weld right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up cutting these two pieces and then welding these two seams out right here. All the way, maybe even 3 or 4 of them out all the way, and then we'll put it back together. I'll do another fit up back at the shop, but today what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to get these two 3-inch pipes to go to this 4-inch pipe. Now they don't currently sell a reducer on the market that goes from 2 3s to a 4. So what I've done is I went on my burn table, I made some backward chevrons, and I rolled them out kind of like this. And the idea is that the two chevrons will go side by side like this on a 4-inch pipe. Once those go side by side, let me see if I can find the other one real quick. Oh boy. Well, they're going to go side by side, and then you're going to have two 3-inch pipes sitting right on top. It's right here. So, again, these two things are going to go like this, as you can see. And then it's going to get these wonderful little triangles. They're going to fill that gap in between. So, once that's filled in between, and you got this one over here, it will allow me to drop that thing in there. But that's why we have tape, so we can do this one step at a time. So, I'm going to get that mocked up. I'm going to get this pipe split apart, and I'll let you see me do a little bit of welding on that, and then we'll get back over onto this. Alright, here we go. We've got 2 pipes taken apart. As you can see, I got one right here, one right there. And the way I'm going to know to put them back together is where the tack marks and cut marks and everything else are. I'm going to go ahead and TIG in this right here, just carbon steel. Remove right around the edges any of the zinc or the galvanizing. So let's begin. Put the glove back on so I don't burn myself too terribly. Let's go for it. Alright, now that I've got a little bit of that weld on there, I'm going to grab the camera, show you a little bit more of a close-up from my side what I've gotten accomplished. Right around there, see? Some of it's a little bit of a fusion weld, some of it is, sorry, there we go, a little bit of fusion weld, some of it dabbed in. I am running on a pulse. I'm currently running a 90 amps with a 50% background pulse, DC. I'm running a pre-flow of 0.2 seconds, post-flow 3 seconds, and yeah, that's basically it. So, as you can see over here on the side, I also have started mocking up the dual 3 to the 4-inch setup. Now here, I've got it so the 2 3s will come together just like that into that 4-inch area. Just now a matter of making little tack welds, little tweaks, little adjustments so I can verify everything is good to go. Now if I had a slip roller and I was able to reproduce things like a machine shop should, they'd have been rolled right in the first place and it would just slap together. Easy geometry. Since it's not, I'm going to go ahead and have to fight it, tack it, hit it with a hammer, tack it, fight it, hit it with a hammer, and then once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and cut this off right about here. That right there is going to give me the general idea of where it needs to be for the 4-inch pipe. I will then take that and hook it back to the dual 3s. Once I have all that completely tigged out and put back together, then it's time to go back to the shop and fit up the 4-inch pipe right to the inlet of the turbo. That way we can know that everything is good to go. I'm looking forward to it, and I'll see you soon.